Hey guys, it's Miss Holloman here. How are y'all? I hope you're doing well. I miss every single one of you. And this first lesson today is just meant to be a review. I'm going to work the first 5 problems to kind of show you and refresh your memory on how to do this. And then my expectation is that you are going to work the last 5 problems. I'm going to upload this video and your assignment to Google Classroom, so it will be there for you tomorrow. Here we go. All right, so this assignment is just meant to be a review of solving one-step equations involving addition and subtraction. So the one thing that you need to remember is when you have addition or subtraction, they undo each other. So addition undoes subtraction, subtraction undoes addition. So our first problem, we have y plus 21 equals 16. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is undo our addition. So we're going to subtract 21 from both sides. And when we do that, our 21's cancel out. And we're left with y. We have 16 minus 21, which gives us a negative 5. So your first answer is y equals a negative 5. Okay? I'm going to erase that. You can pause this video if you need more time to write this down. Okay? So our next problem, we have x minus 13 equals a negative 18. So again, we have subtraction. So to undo subtraction, we add. So we're going to add 13. And what we do on one side, we must do to the other. So our 13's cancel. We're left with x. We have a negative 18 plus 13, which again gives us a negative 5. Okay, if you have any questions up to this point, you are welcome to email me. I will be available during class tomorrow to answer questions. All right, number 3. We have n plus 5 equals negative 90. All right, this is very easy. Again, so one step, you have addition, so to undo addition, we subtract, so you subtract 5. Okay, you're left with n because your 5's cancel. You have a negative 90 and a negative 5. So we're going to add because we're adding negatives, so it gives you a negative 95. Okay. Number 4. We have x minus 32 equals 100. Okay, again, undo our subtraction with addition. So we're going to add 32. 32's cancel. You're left with x equals 132. All right. Last one, we have x plus 27 equals a negative 21. Okay, so we have addition. We have to undo our addition with subtraction. So we subtract 27. Our 27's cancel. We're left with a negative 21 plus a negative 27, which gives us a negative 48. So x equals negative 48. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. I miss you guys. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.